Beyond the 20th century, the concrete revolution has brought rapid growth to the structures of mankind. Modern high-tech cities are marvels of design, with their underground highways, subway tunnels, and skyscrapers. However, in spite of the brilliant developments of science and technology, mankind couldn't overcome the technological limitations of water leakage, which left structures subject to damage and collapse. Due to water-penetrating concrete, calcium hydroxide is lost through elution, leaving the concrete vulnerable to collapse and threatening the safety of the people depending on it. Now it is imperative that we create faultless water leakage-free structures by challenging this chronic water leakage problem and understanding the causes of leakage. Water leakage. It is like a cancer, undermining the stability of society's structures. Valuable groundwater has been wasted, and soil has been contaminated because of the lack of a solution for the water leakage problem of underground structures. The exhausting of groundwater increases the temperature of the Earth's surface, contributing to natural disasters through global warming. In spite of the health threats of radon gas released by groundwater and mold caused by water leakage, these problems have not been able to be solved due to the limits of existing waterproofing agents. The manufacturers of all existing waterproofing agents place many demands with regard to conditions required in construction work on site, including temperature, moisture content, base treatment, and curing time. However, it is a very difficult challenge to satisfy all these conditions in the environment of a construction site. And the separation of the waterproofing agent from the base surface or damage to the agent is the cause of water leakage. Now there is no more need for worry. You may find it hard to believe, but TurboSeal from Lee Systems Group, for the first time in the world, has 100% solved the chronic leakage problem. TurboSeal waterproofing agent from Lee Systems Group places no demands on conditions at the construction site. It makes perfect waterproof construction work possible under any adverse conditions. It can bond to surfaces in spite of moisture or any foreign substances. It permits all-weather construction work at temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. And after construction, there is no damage to or loosening of the waterproofing agent, as TurboSeal copes with the vibration behavior of the structure. TurboSeal is a one-component environmentally friendly material which needs no curing time. Therefore, we can shorten the period of work drastically, as it doesn't affect following work processes. This is a self-curing waterproofing agent that makes it possible to maintain the structure's integrity after 20, 30, or 100 years. Therefore, this is an innovative new concept waterproofing agent with high technology and new material, of which the lifespan is semi-permanent. The water leakage problem has frustrated technicians throughout Korea and the whole world. TurboSeal from Lee Systems Group has solved it perfectly. In the construction work on Incheon International Airport, severe leakage occurred after waterproofing work in the first stage of construction. However, we created a faultless structure through the whole section of the engineering structure by using TurboSeal from Lee Systems Group after thorough verification in advance during the second stage of construction. Beyond that, our technology was recognized for solving perfectly the water leakage problems of famous civil engineering and construction works, including underground cable tunnels below 30 meters for Korea Telecommunications, underground power cable tunnels of Korea Electricity, subways, underground walkways, the Sejong Center for Performing Arts, the National Folk Museum, and the Korea Broadcasting System. In the rest of the world, we have solved water leakage problems, including those with underground highways and the subway in Boston, USA. the subway in Singapore, underground highways in Tokyo, Japan, and subways in Taipei, China, Canada, and India. Our technology was recognized for its innovation by the Ministry of Construction and Transportation, the Ministry of Science and Technology, and the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Energy as a result of more than 1,000 projects to date. The excellence of TurboSeal has been proven by being awarded prizes, including the Jang Yong-shil Award, which is called the Korea Novel Prize, Commendation of Ministries. The world has dreamed of the perfection of concrete waterproofing. That dream has been made reality by TurboSeal from Lee Systems Group. Lee Systems Group promises to be an environmentally friendly enterprise, taking into consideration the valuable assets of the world's citizens by keeping and maintaining the Earth's environment through recreating the space of city culture and recycling the high-tech new materials of concrete structures.